how to check Binance account number. So if you want to check your Binance account number, I'm assuming you're talking about your user ID, and it is actually quite simple to find it. So all you have to do in this case is you have to just go ahead and then launch the Binance application as you would, and just make sure to log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, this is the interface you will see again, where you have to tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen, here you'll see a couple of options. Right at the top you can see your ID. So that's all it is. You can even tap on your name right here. This right here, you can see the ID. This random letter of numbers is basically your ID. The other is the registration info, which is the email address. So depending upon whichever else it is that you're looking for, you'll be able to find it right here. Either way, this is the way on how you can find your account number, or in this case your user ID on Binance. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.